All right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My presentation is on a TED Talk of Every Kid Needs a Champion, and this is by Rita Pierson. This is a nice 7-minute video, and she is very adamant and encourages the fact that students need somebody who they can look up to. Students need to be supported by adults within the educational system and the classroom setting. And once again, just a simple phrase of every kid needs a champion. So, what do you need to know about Rita Pierson? Well, she has over 40 years of experience in education. Her 40 years of experience includes elementary school, middle school, and special education experiences, where she has helped and has supported, taught a variety of students within the classroom. She also has experience as administrator. She was an assistant principal at one point in her career. And once again, she speaks on the importance of creating meaningful relationships with students in the classroom, within students within the educational setting itself. So every kid needs a champion. And what is this TED Talk specifically about? Well, students learn from the teachers or adults that they have relationships with. It's pretty much that plain and simple. If you have created an environment of trust, if you have created an environment where students can be themselves and they can truly learn, then they will learn from you. It's hard for students to really want to be motivated to learn when they feel that they cannot support or they do not look up to the teacher that is trying to teach them specific concepts. Meaningful relationships create meaningful learning opportunities. So pretty much what I just said. Once again, trust, creating an atmosphere of positive environment in the classroom, students will learn and succeed. And every student needs someone to push them to be the best that they can. Once again, as educators, it's our job to support students, the good, the bad, the ugly, in all situations. And, students and kids just need someone there that they know they can be able to be supported by, encouraged, and pushed to their potential, no matter what the obstacle gets in their way. Last but not least, just some takeaways that I had from watching this presentation and this TED Talk is that she was very adamant and just very positive and talked with a purpose of creating relationships with kids in the classroom and just truly empowering your students. Once again, create meaningful and purposeful relationships. Sometimes as adults and as educators, we need to go out of our way to create a relationship with a student. And it's funny because Rita talks about in her video the fact that your hardest students, your struggling students, are sometimes the ones who you learn the most from, and sometimes they're the kids that you have to put in the most effort and the most work, but truly get the most meaning out of them. And once again, always be positive, even if it's hard to. We know sometimes kids get under our skin and it's really hard to put that, positive face on, but just be positive when you're around them. And remember that you can truly make a difference in a kid's life or in a child's life. Once again, as educators, we do make a difference every single day.